Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smart bird feeder camera has stopped sending notifications, it's easy to miss every bird that lands at your feeder. The camera may still record videos and even show a live view, but your phone never alerts you when motion is detected. This problem is often caused by notification permissions, app settings, battery restrictions, or a temporary connection issue between your phone and the camera. Before reinstalling the app or resetting the feeder, there are a few quick checks that can usually restore your alerts. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can try to get your SmartBird feeder camera notifications working again. Enable push notifications in both the app and your phone settings. 2. Confirm the camera is online and connected to Wi Fi. 3. Turn on motion detection and notification alerts in the camera settings. 4. Disable battery optimization for the feeder app on your phone. 5. Update the app and camera firmware to the latest version. 6. Start a motion event to verify that a notification is received.